Hey, so today we wanted to show you some quick features of the power doors on a new Honda Odyssey. I'm out here with the 2024 Touring. Let's check it out. So one of the ways you can open the door is by here using the key fob. You do have these two door buttons. You can hold them for more than 1 second to open it. And once the door does start opening, the front door on the matching side will unlock as well. Once you get in the door, I wanted to show you where the child lock feature was. Flipping that up will leave the child lock off. Flipping it back will put the child lock on, and what that means is this handle inside the door and this button will no longer work to open the door, but the buttons on the key fob will and the buttons up front will, which I'll show you next. You're also able to open and close all doors from the driver's seat as well, just with these buttons. I've got that closing. You can see this back door, it's closing up behind me. And you might be thinking, well, what if my finger gets stuck in it? What if my kid decides to hop out of the van at the last moment? Honda's got you covered on that as well. I'll show you up next. So this whole strip right down here is a resistance kind of detector. And if the door is closing and it detects any kind of resistance, it'll just stop and open right back up. Another nice feature, if you're using the key fob or the buttons in there, if you do want to stop the door while it's in progress, you can hold it for more than 1 second to start it. And then just press a button. You don't have to hold it, it will stop. Press and hold for the same, and it'll open back up. I also wanted to show you that the tailgate does operate very similarly to the doors as well. So really for maximum convenience, you have full control over all doors, the tailgate and everything from the key fob, from the driver's seat, multiple places throughout the van. And that's just a quick rundown on some of the convenient features of what makes the Honda Odyssey the best minivan on the market.